Hello everyone, welcome in craftingwheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use BC yarn, Giabor Circufino yarn and hook number 3 mm, and I will use a plastic ring as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will join the yarn with the ring and make a slip knot. Then make 10 single crochet stitches into the ring, then close with slip. Then start round 2. I will make 20 chains as shown now. Then close with slip stitch into the same stitch to make a ring, into the same stitch from the beginning. Then close with slip stitch to make a ring. Then I will make a chain and make 24 single crochet stitches into the ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then cut the yarn and fasten off. Then start round 3. I will skip 3 stitches from the point of joining 2 rings together and join the yarn as shown now. Then make 2 chains and make half double crochet stitch into the same stitch. Then make half double crochet into the next stitch. And make half double crochet increase or 2 half double crochet stitches into the next stitch and repeat with the sequence across the row. Then I will make half double crochet into the next stitch and half double crochet increase into the next, and repeat that across the row, but leave the last 3 stitches without crocheting. I will make it and I'll come back. Then cut the yarn and fasten off. I leave the last 3 stitches without crocheting. Then I will start round 4. I will skip 5 stitches from the beginning and join the yarn. Then make 2 chains and make half double crochet into the same stitch as shown now. Then make half double crochet into the next stitch, and make half double crochet increase into the next, and make half double crochet into the next, and repeat with the same sequence across the row as shown now, and leave the last 5 stitches without crocheting. Then cut the yarn and fasten off. Then join the earrings hook as shown now. Now I finished the crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.